Somebody set that rainforest on fire. Who did it? Who did it? Somebody set that rainforest on fire. The rainforest on fire. Listen to how that sounds. The rainforest is on fire. The natives said it was intentional. The natives just want the lawsuit saying that there could be no drilling on their land in the rainforest. A lawsuit that was years in the making. Then, after the victory, the rainforest catches on fire. Check it out. There's a video right here. Look at it. Who did it? Who did it? Know who did it. There's nothing on this planet that's sacred to the greedy. There's nothing on this planet that's sacred to the greedy. Know that. Nothing. It's nothing. The rainforest is the lungs of the earth. The lungs of the earth. Look at that. The natives didn't do it. They know they land better than anybody. They know the chances of fires. They know the history of that. They know. They know. We're on the outside looking in, but they know. They know the rainforest. They know what they're talking about. You feel me? I stand with the natives. Protect the rainforest. I mean, you're drilling at the bottom of the ocean. Now you want to drill in the rainforest. Well, how much sense that made? Don't make no sense to the natives, to me. But when you looking at them numbers, them zeros popping up on that, you know what I'm saying? That bank account. Man, you don't care nothing about that land. You don't care nothing about that land. You know, it's means to an end. I stand with the natives in Brazil, the rainforest. Protect the rainforest at all costs. In violation. You're in violation. You're in violation. That's real talk. You're in violation. We already got problems. Well, your average city in America is polluted. You can't trust them polluted nations, man. You cannot trust a nation. If they're got a small check, their atmosphere already jacked up. Like, don't trust them. That's a dead giveaway. Don't trust them. If you inhaling chemicals on a daily basis, those type of people cannot be trusted. Look at them.